Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be presenting on experiential learning and computing accessibility education. So this project has been created with support from the U.S. National Science Foundation, and the project team members are Weishi Shi, Saad Khan, Yasmin El-Glayali, Sam Malakowski, Chi Yu, and myself, Dan Krutz. And we are all at the Rochester Institute of Technology. And all project materials are located at all.rit.edu. So approximately 15% of the world's population has a disability. And unfortunately, much of the software being created today is not being developed in an accessible manner. Developers aren't motivated to create accessible software, and many don't know how to create accessible software. So this project's goal is to create easily adoptable educational accessibility material. The material being developed is designed to demonstrate foundational concepts in creating accessible software, but also demonstrate the importance of creating accessible software. So the accessibility learning labs are self-encapsulated educational accessibility material, and they require only a browser and internet connection for usage. So each of the labs addresses a different foundational concept in accessibility. Some of the created labs thus far focus on hearing, vision, color blindness, dexterity, and cognitive accessibility challenges. So the components of each lab begin with a background instructional material, an experiential activity, an empathy creating material, and a quiz. So the material can be used in a variety of computing and non-computing curriculum. Some of the computing courses the material can be used in are CS1 and CS2 courses, accessibility courses, and general programming courses. And some non-computing courses that it can be used in include project management classes and general outreach events and camps. So the labs begin with foundational instructional material. This includes foundational background information on the accessibility challenge in written and video format, and they are designed to provide the participant with a foundational understanding of the material. Each lab contains an experiential activity where participants interact with the software. They experience the challenges of the inaccessible component through an emulation feature. Information is provided on how to repair the issue. The participant repairs the issue, and then the participant uses the same emulation feature to experience the repaired software. So some of the research questions addressed by your work are: how effective are the labs in motivating students about the importance of accessibility? How effective are the labs in informing students about foundational accessibility principles? And how impactful are empathy creating materials in accessibility education? So the study design, for this study, we used 10 sections of a CS2 course at RIT, and there were about 276 students in these 10 sections. And Group A was a control group where they used existing materials. Group B used our material without empathy creating content, and Group C used our material with empathy creating content. So the study format included a pre-survey, and then where the students conducted the activity, and then a post-survey to collect data for our analysis. So the first research question of how important is it to create accessible software, we found through a statistical analysis that our material has a positive impact in motivating students about the importance of creating accessible software. Research question 2 is: how effective are the labs in informing students about foundational accessibility concepts? And an analysis demonstrated that our material was beneficial in informing participants about foundational accessibility concepts. And research question 3, how impactful are empathy creating materials in accessibility education? And a t-test demonstrates that empathy creating material can be a very important component of accessibility education. So if you want to use our material, just let us know. And just concluding acknowledgement again that this work is supported by the U.S. National Science Foundation, and all material is available at all.rit.edu. Thank you.